G'day, we're going to show you how KAJO works and how to set it up for the first time. For both scenarios, what you want to do is push the plunger down in the tube. There can be a bit of air trapped in there, so just with the lid on, get any air out. Then what you're going to do for the manual gun, you just want to push a little bit out the top of the nozzle and then screw it into your gun. Then while pushing the plunger in the bottom of the tube, pump your gun at the same time until it starts taking some of the grease. Once it's primed, it'll just suck the grease straight out of the tube. For the battery operated guns, you'll take out this spring plunger section with your adapter 24mm socket. Just make sure the seal and the adapter is clean. Your socket. Now you want to do this up firmly, but don't over tighten the thread. Now since you've put the adapter in for the first time, you will lock a pocket of air in there, so you do have to prime it. And to do that, screw in the cartridge, and without pulling the trigger on the gun, you'll push up in the base of the tube and hold open the priming port. Just continue until you've made sure you've got every ounce of air out. You may need to repeat this 2 to 3 times. And then you can ease on the trigger while helping the tube for the first time. When you're changing tubes in the battery gun, you just want to make sure that you pop it a little bit out the top of the tube. That just helps maintain prime in the gun. That way you don't get any air locks. If you're having trouble with the pumping, you might need to repeat the priming process 2 to 3 times. If not, give us a ring and we can walk you through a few more things. Your tubes will have to be stored this way with the lid down. That just keeps any air at the top of the tube. And as we mentioned before, just push the plunger down into the grease. That'll clear any air out the back of the tube. Any other issues, get in touch and we'll walk you through it.